Anna should be out by now. Where's Millie? Anna, she is usually early. Anna, not here. Okay, maybe she went inside. Oh. Excuse me. Have you seen Anna Watson? Anna, brown hair, quiet girl.
Yes, that's her. I think I saw her near the music room earlier.
Thank you, I'll check there. Anna. Sweetheart, it's Mom. There you are. I was looking everywhere for you.
Mom, why are you hiding here?
It's okay. You don't have to talk right away.
I didn't want anyone to see me.
See you do what? Cry.
You can cry with me.
There is a school show next week.
Yes. You told me a little about it. It's a big one. Parents will come. Teachers will watch.
I remember you were excited.
I was excited before today.
What happened today?
Miss Miller chose me first. She said I would be the main performer.
That's wonderful, Anna. You worked hard for that.
But today, she changed her mind. Changed her mind.
How you...
She chose Chloe instead?
Did she explain why?
She said Chloe is louder, more confident on stage.
And how did that make you feel?
Like I disappeared.
I'm sorry. That hurts.
Chloe said I'm too quiet. She said people will get bored.
That was not kind, and it was not fair.
And Lily, she didn't talk to me today.
Lily, your best friend.
She sat with Chloe. She laughed with her.
Did Lily say anything to you?
No, she just looked away. That hurts even more. I didn't want to go home like this.
I'm glad you stayed somewhere safe. Come here. We can talk more at home. No rush.
Okay. Dad! Look! It's taller than yesterday! That makes it more dangerous.
Danger makes it cool.
That's not how buildings work.
No, no.
Physics wins again. Hey, how was school?
Dinner will be ready soon.
I'm not hungry. Did she lose her blocks too?
What happened?
There's a school show. Anna lost her main part.
That's rough. Who took it?
A girl named Chloe.
I don't like that name. I don't like that name. She's not bad, just very confident. I'm confident too. Yes, extremely. Anna, can I come in?
Okay. You didn't eat?
I wasn't hungry. That's okay.
Anna, what are you afraid of right now?
Vad tänkte för mig? Yeah? What if me is so what?
What if Chloe is right about what?
What if I'm too quiet to be on stage?
Quiet doesn't mean weak.
But the stage is loud.
And courage can be quiet too.
Really?
Yes. Quiet. Courage is still courage.
I want another chance.
Then we will find one.
What if they say no?
Then we try again. Or we try a different way.
Okay.
Do you think Mom has a secret plan?
Huh? So bad.
Your mom always has a plan.
Huh? A big one.
Probably bigger than your block tower. Tomorrow will be hard, but you won't be alone.
Mom.
Then, yes, ayun ka rin.
Gusto ay now, Dawn.
Yes.
Thank you for finding me today.
I will always find you.
Did you sleep better last night?
A little.
That's good. Today doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to start.
Mom, what if I freeze again?
Then we breathe and we try again.
What if everyone watches me?
They will. And that's okay.
I don't want to disappear.
You won't.
I'll be right here when school ends.
I know, Mom.
Yeah. Yes. Thank you for yesterday.
Anytime.
What? I'm fine, guys. Hi, Lily.
Oh, hi.
Are you okay? Yeah, I guess. I didn't see you yesterday. I had practice with Chloe. Yes. Okay, Anna. Wait. I didn't want to hurt you. It did hurt. I know. We should go.
Good morning, everyone. Let's focus today.
I'm ready.
Everyone will have time to practice. Let's warm up first. Everyone is watching.
Miss Miller, can I practice my part again after lunch?
We'll see. Chloe.
Miss Miller. Yes, Anna. I know Chloe is very strong on stage, and I know I'm quieter, but I would like one chance to show what I can do.
That sounds reasonable.
The show needs energy. I have energy too. It's just different.
All right, Anna, you can practice after school today. Just you and Mr. Reed.
Really? Yes. One chance.
Thank you, Miss Miller. Thank you, Miss Miller.
You were brave in there. I was scared.
I know. Chloe scares me too sometimes.
Then why did you choose her?
Because I didn't want to lose.
Lose what?
A place on stage.
I didn't want to lose you. I'm sorry.
Can I help you practice? You want to?
Yes. I want to be on your side again.
Okay.
Take your time.
No rush. I don't know where to start. The start. Start by breathing.
Now move the way the music feels.
It's not good. It's honest. That's a good start.
Not yet.
Was it bad?
No. You tell a story when you move.
I do. I do. I do.
Yes. You just need confidence.
That turn was good. That face was very dramatic. Thank you, Peter. Thank you, Peter. We have a professional here. I know talent.
Oh, you helped me once. Now it's your turn. Mom, what's that?
Something special.
Can I open it?
Not yet.
Why not?
Why not? Because tomorrow you need courage first.
Okay. Is it magic?
Not exactly. That usually means yes.
Tomorrow is my chance.
And you're ready.
There are so many people.
I know. Are you okay?
I'm scared, but I don't want to hide.
That's brave. I've got this.
Everyone, 5 minutes. 5.
Five minutes feels very short or very long.
I can see the stage really well.
Try not to shout by.
I'll try.
She looks nervous.
She also looks ready.
Mom was right. Everyone is watching. Look at me, not them. You're not alone. Alone.
The first act will be Chloe's performance.
Music Star.
watching me. I feel it in my heart. I trained so long for this, I won't look away. This is my moment now. I'm ready to say, I stand tall, I don't fall. I'm not afraid at all.
She's very good.
She's really strong.
Yes, she is.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Well, she was amazing. She was. But your turn is different. Different isn't always enough.
Hey, Mom. What if I forget everything?
Had a thing. Then you breathe and you start again.
What if I'm not as good? You are not here to be Chloe.
Then why am I here?
Because you are Anna.
Is that? Is that? Open it.
Mom, it's beautiful. It looks like it's glowing. It feels alive.
This dress doesn't shine by itself. It shines when you move.
Whose dress is it?
It was mine when I was your age.
You wore this?
I was scared too. And this dress reminded me that I could move anyway.
Thank you.
Go tell your story.
Next up is Anna's performance.
My hands are shaking slow. I hear 1,000 eyes, but I still feel alone. I take a breath, I close my eyes, I feel the music start inside.
I shine when I move.
I shine when I try. I don't need to be loud to reach the sky. I'm not the strongest one. I'm not the fastest, but every step I take feels hest, feels true. I shine when I try. I don't need to be loud to reach the sky.
Bravo! Absolutely stunning!
Both performances were beautiful. Anna, you showed courage.
The first prize goes to Anna.
Anna, you're famous!
Not famous, just happy.
Everyone in.
Because you moved, and when you moved, you believed.
Who gave you the dress?
Who do you think?
No way.
Yes way.